Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Basically, I'm a chemical break can do MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, MS Excel, simulate exam, simulate assignments, Pearson, sign gauge, many more university online classes like accounting, business, finance, computer sciences, computing, Linux, and many more courses. If you want my service, you can contact my WhatsApp number or Gmail given in description of this video. So without wasting more time, we start our job project, which is independent project 406. It's access. First we highlighted the description. Country yard, medical plaza want to add a form and report into its database to ensure consistency. The starting file is provided for you. Create a blank form and modify it with the form and layout view. Edit property to restrict the form to data entry and a button. Next, create a report using the report wizard in the layout view and modify it, sorting and conditional formatting. Finally, preview the result. Skills covered in this project. So several things we covered in this project. Create a form using the form button, added a form layout view, add a current date to a form, move field within the control layout, restrict a form to data entry. Create a report using the report wizard, edit a report layout view. Add grouping and sorting to a report, add totals to a report, add condition formatting to a report, preview a report. So we move to now step number 1 of this project. Open country yard medical plazas for. So we already open this. The next is the file will be the name automatically do your name, change the project file name, restricted to do some by your instructor. So we are ready. Our last name and first name is there, which is our instructor saved. Our step number 2 is already completed. Now enable editing content in the database, so we can click on a cross and so our enable editing is done. Now we move to step number 4. First we highlighted that part A. Add all the fields from the physician table in the following order: all Dr. ID, first name, last name, primary specialties, office number, and moving date. So our form is created by this Dr. ID, first name and last name, last name, office. So we delete this tag because he did not tell about this. So we change the label. So step number 4, I completed. Close the field list and add a new physician form. Okay. sorry. Specialty number, okay, so change this by up. Close the field list and add a new for as a add new physician. So you copy this name and change the form name and edit. And then this step number 4 is completed by this. Now move to our next step, step number 5. Here in step number 5, edit a form layout view, add a new column and add a new row to control layout and modify the exercise. Add 2 rows below the tenant sense row. So we add a blue, insert below row. So inserted 2 below row. Add one new column to the right of the existing column. So add new. Right new column. Adjust each of column width. Okay, so adjust the all column width is to the here. Insert. Change the width of column is 1.6. Okay. And adjust the last row height. Adjust the last row height is 1.4. Says 1.4.4. And adjust the all column height. Width of its all column is 1.6. So our step number 5 is completed by this. Now we move to our next step, step number 6, in which he says add a button into the bottom of the leftmost column to save or record. Okay. Insert button. which is save. Change the wording of the button is save. Change the caption by this. So change the caption and add Vision button as the name of the command. So change the command name. Add a second button in the bottom middle of the column. Add a new record. Okay. So we go here and add a new button. In which he says add new button. Vision. And also change it name of add session form add button. Then add a third button to the right of the most column and close. OK. Add right. Change the name of the button is now add a title from border and footer. Okay, so add a title, Vision, and add a date and time. Okay, so we add a date and time. Don't include time. Now he says auto-date text box control. So we change the width of auto box control. Width of this 1 point. Okay. And the left property auto text. Okay, so change the left property 8x4. So step number 6 is completed by this. If you want complete solution of this assignment, you can contact my WhatsApp number or Gmail given in the description of this video. If you want complete course deal, you can contact my WhatsApp number or Gmail given in the description of this video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share video link with your friend, colleagues and student. Bye.